this is saying it's leopard print scrunchies, $25. So there's 3. I mean, I like animal print. I'm from New Jersey, so of course I like the animal print. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have our winter FabFitFun box. I'm definitely so excited for this. This is probably my favorite season of the year with FabFitFun. So, if you want to see what I got inside, is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Alright, so this puppy just came in the mail the other day, which came quite early. I'm looking for my cutter. So this is $49.99 every season, so every 3 months. I believe I do have a discount code to save you $10 off your first box. I'll leave it down below. And I am an annual subscriber, so I do get to customize, I believe it's 5 items, and then if you just pay by season, then I think you get to customize 3. I believe that's how it works. So I know basically what's in the box because I picked most of the products, but then there are some that I have no idea what's in here. So I'm definitely excited. Yeah, usually for me it's the winter box that I like the most. So let's see what's in here. All right, so this is a pretty heavy box. Let's see if I can give you a little sneak peek. All right, that's it. Not too much. All right, so I have a table right here, so I just have everything set right there. So you always get like a little brochure, which is really nice. And then it has like things in here that I like to read at night since I never sleep. It's different articles and stuff, but then when you usually go to the first couple of pages, it tells you what everything is in here, what you could have got, and it gives you prices, which I do like that. All right, let me go to the first page. All right, so the first thing, I'm just going to pull out the first thing that we have right here. Now, this is one of the ones that I customized. These are like slipper socks, and it's in the shade dark gray in the size large/XL. So I normally wear like a size 8 in shoe in women's, so hopefully this will fit. It won't be too big or, oh, and it has like the, you know, whatchamacallit things, so you don't slide. Boy, I don't know if you just seen all that dust that came out, and they feel really, really nice. Let's see. What in the world? They feel very, very warm, very dusty. Holy cow. All right, so let me see how much these are. So these are from Muck Lux, and they're called cabin socks, and they are $25. I have no idea what I'm dropping. I'm always dropping stuff. I need to get a bigger table. All right, so that's the first thing. So far, love that. So let me get this big thing out of the way. So this is a robe that I did pick this as well. I always have a lot of robes, and then my daughter always takes them. So, but this has a hood on it, so I was quite surprised. I'm looking for the price. So this is the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. Retail values for $70. Holy cow. So this one item right here pays for the whole box. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. I love the color. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me turn this down a little bit. So that's what it looks like. It's has like a hood, and it feels really, really soft. And it has pockets. So it feels really, really nice. It doesn't have, oh yeah, it does. It dropped. It has this here so you can tie it. But yeah, it's really, really nice. And it's pretty long, so that's good. But yeah, I just think it's really, really nice. I was really excited to get this. All right, let me put this puppy down somewhere. All right, the next thing that I picked out that I was super excited for, so this is like a vanity mirror. So if you guys don't know, I did move, and now I used to have in my other home, I used to have like my own beauty room. Now my beauty room is in my bedroom, so I get ready in my room, and so, you know, it gets a little cluttered. So I was so happy to get this so I can have like a little mirror for my desk. All right, let's see how much this is. So this is an Impressions Vanity Company LED vanity mirror, and it's 45 buckaroos. So let's open her up and see how big it is. Because sometimes, like, things look big, and then when you, like, open them up, you're like, what the heck? I've had that happen a time or two. All right, so let's see. Oh, so it's not as big as what I thought. Okay, let me show you what the mirror looks like. So if you guys can see, I don't want to blind you, because you can see the lights. It's just not as big as what I thought, but it's still nice. It's still, I love it. And then it comes with like a stand right here, so you would have the stand and everything. So that's pretty cool. I guess once you set it up, you can put batteries in here, right? And then you have the light right here. So I'm definitely excited for this. Definitely, like, and the mirror's really good quality. It's really nice. It does come with the batteries, so that's good. You ever have like Christmas if you have kids or even nieces and nephews, and then there's a toy and you forget to look to see if it needs batteries and it doesn't come with batteries? And you're like, oh my God, and then they can't play with the toy and then they cry. So that's good that it comes with batteries. All right, so the next thing is this, it's scrunchies. So I did not pick this out. I would not pick this out. So let's see how much this is. What? This is saying it's leopard print scrunchies, $25. I would never pay. So there's 3. I mean, I like animal print. I'm from New Jersey, so of course I like the animal print. But they're very thin, and they're not that big, you know? You could probably wrap it up maybe once, you know? Depending on how thick or thin your hair is. But I would never pay $25 for these. Like, literally, you can get these same ones, like, at, like, a dollar store, you know? Yeah, I would never pay. I mean, you're just paying for the name. I guess it's called Noor. $25 for scrunchies? No, ma'am. Okay, so the next thing is this Laura Geller. I think this is an eyeshadow palette. I don't remember if this is what I picked or not. Let's see where it is. Where you be? Yeah, so this is an eyeshadow palette. I think I did pick this. This is $45. I do like Laura Geller's formula. I would never pay full price because you can go to TJ Maxx and always get some Laura Geller stuff. But I do like it. So when I do see it, if it's on sale, I usually do pick it up. Let's see what it looks like. I'm trying to open it up. All right, so that's what she looks like. Then on here tells you what all the names are. Oh, okay, so you have, that mirror is really, really nice. Let me cover it up so I don't blind you. For some reason, because what is this called? The Cinnamon and Spice palette. Let me get that thing off of here. I thought it was going to be more like cinnamon-y colors. It's a neutral palette. I mean, I have these colors already. So I'm not going to swatch this because I don't know if I'll put this in a giveaway or not, or keep it, because I do like her formula, but I definitely have these colors, and I'm trying to kind of like declutter some of my stuff. So I might put this in a future giveaway. I don't know yet, but it's a really pretty palette. All right, so I see we have a FabFitFun sticker. I mean, I don't know what I would do with the sticker. Here's another thing. It says Kind Thins, dark chocolate nuts and sea salt, 90 calories. I don't know if this is just something that they threw in there for the company, but I would hope that they would put like a whole package, you know what I mean, instead of just one. Yeah, I don't see it on here, so I'm surmising they just put one in here, you know, as like a sample thing. All right, so we have that. All right, 2 more things. So we have this Get Well Nail Recovery Londontown. What the heck? All right, so that's what the box looks like. I don't know what this is. All right, so here we go. I'm not sure if this is like a nail oil or not. Let's see. Holy crap. This is saying right here that this puppy is $20. It's a Get Well Nail Recovery, and it says, nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. And then it says shipping restrictions apply. No, never, never. That's like I always say why I like subscription boxes, because I would never pay $20 for this. All right, and then I think there was one last thing. So we have a lip scrub from Wish. And I enjoy lip scrubs, especially in the winter time. Like, I keep them all around. I'm starting now to get like overwhelmed because it's like every subscription box you're getting one. So I'll probably give this to one of my kids or something. But let's just see how much this puppy is. No. Wish lip scrub in vanilla bean, $20. No. I think it has a price with all my what this box is total value for. So it's total value $200 plus. All right. So is that everything? That's everything. So let's recap everything that I received in the winter FabFitFun. All right. So I have the lip scrub. Oh, I see something else. I apologize. This is the ACV apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I do remember picking this. Let's see how much this is. This is $24. So this is good like if you have like oily hair or not oily hair. I think apple cider vinegar is for like dry hair, right? Let's see what it says. Absorb oils and impurities while adding a touch of lift and texture with the powder of apple cider vinegar. Restrictions apply, $24. So I guess it is for oily hair. All right, so we have that. All right, so we have the lip scrub. We got this. We have one of the dark chocolate thingies. I wish it was like a whole box, but we got a sticker. We have these scrunchies. This is about one thing that's like I could pass on this. I don't really use scrunchies, but if I did, never would I pay $25. No way. We have this eyeshadow palette for $45. It has some pretty colors. I love this. It's probably one of my favorite things. I cannot wait to wear these. What else? What else? Oh, I almost hit myself in the face. So we have this vanity mirror. I found this, so I guess you can like, you know, plug it in or something and charge it. Or you can use the batteries. I don't know yet. I haven't read the directions, but I'm really excited for this too. And then we have this beautiful robe. This is so soft. It seems like usually we get a couple more things, don't we? Don't seem like I got a lot, but maybe, I know the value's there, definitely the value's there. A lot of things are overpriced, but I don't know, usually you get a little bit more, or maybe you don't. Let me know down below. Does it seem like FabFitFun you're not getting as many items, or maybe they're putting higher priced items in the box and not as many? I don't know, but I definitely think I got my money's worth, the $49.99. The $50, definitely, hands down, I do. But is this like my favorite winter box? I don't know, it's up there. It is up there. I really don't have any complaints except for like some of the prices they put on there. But with the vanity mirror, the socks, and the robe, I'm satisfied if that's all that I got and paid $50. Do you know what I mean? So I'm really, really excited. The other seasons are like, but like I said, I usually like the fall, but definitely the winter box. All right, guys, that's everything. Did you get your FabFitFun box yet? If you did, let me know what you got down below. Do you get FabFitFun? Let me know all the tea. Like, what do you think of this box? And is this something that you would like to continue seeing on this channel? Let me know down below. Alright guys, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos, because we all know you don't get notified all the time. Alright guys, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, all this dust, Jesus.